Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, VedQ5 TV video. Today we will be unboxing the Dollar Shave Club $5 promo packet. If you're wondering, the Dollar Shave Club is an American company based in California that delivers razor and other personal grooming products to customer by mail. It delivers razor blades on a monthly basis and offers additional grooming products for home delivery. So without further hesitation, let's begin unboxing. So these are the product inside the first box. Let's go ahead and take a look. The first product we have is the razor blade handle. My first impression are that it seems to be sturdy and quite high quality. The next product is the 3-ounce Dr. Carver's Easy Shave Butter. It's an original formula for effortless and delightful shaving. Also included is the Wanderer 3-ounce hydrating face cleanser with the citrus and Hawaiian ginger. Now let's unbox the second package. So guys, these are all the products that's laid out in front of me that are included in a Dollar Shave Club $5 promo packet. So guys, that's it. I linked the dollar. So guys, that's all about it. If you're interested to have one, I put the link below the official website of a Dollar Shave Club. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and comment below, and don't forget to like and hit the bell icon.